Well, today let's have basic understanding about the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. So this basic structure is a judicial innovation and there is actually no mention of basic structure in our Constitution. So how did it come in the first place? In 1973, the judiciary coined this terminology called basic structure, and that happened after the Golaknath case in 1967, when the judiciary first said that the parliament had no power to amend the fundamental rights because fundamental rights were sacrosanct. However, it created a lot of problems, and eventually later in 1973, in the Kesavananda Bharati case, the Supreme Court said that actually parliament had power to amend any part of the constitution. However, in doing so, it cannot alter or it cannot change the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. So it becomes interesting to now know what is then the basic structure. There is no fixed basic structure, but we can understand the core essence of the Constitution by referring to the basic structure, and the judiciary has provided many things like, for example, secularism, judicial review, democracy, free and fair election as the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. So if you like the content and if you want to spread awareness about the basic structure, please share this reel with your friends.